Hello everyone, if your Crimson Desert keeps crashing on Epic Games, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Crimson Desert when it's crashing on Epic Games easily. So first off, you're going to open up your start menu and you're going to open up the Epic Games Launcher. And here what you're going to do is you're going to go to your games library and then you're going to go on to Crimson Desert. You're going to click onto these three dots on Crimson Desert. I'm going to use GTA as an example. You're going to click onto manage and then you're going to click onto verify files here and let it verify the game's files. Once it's done with that, now you're going to close out the Epic Games Launcher fully. So come here, right click on Epic Games, click exit then. Now you're going to open up your web browser and then you're going to go on to AMD GPU if you have an AMD card. If you have an NVIDIA card, I'll show you after that. So just go on to amd.com, go into resources, drivers. You're going to scroll down, you're going to click onto graphics, click Radeon RX, click your graphic card series and then select your graphics card model, click submit, select your operating system, click download on the latest drivers. Once it's done downloading, install it. Now I'll show you NVIDIA. So just go on to nvidia.com, click onto drivers here, scroll down onto manual driver search and fill in this form. Select your operating system then, click start search then it will find the correct driver for you. Here it is, this is the latest GeForce Game Ready driver. You're going to install it. Once it's done installing, you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. Once you're done with the restart, now you're going to open up Crimson Desert and you're going to go to your game settings here. You're going to turn on VSync for now. Once you're done turning on VSync, if you have a high refresh rate monitor, set refresh rate to either 60 or 75, just anything below 120. After that, you're going to go into graphics and then you're going to set this preset to either minimum or performance. So anything that's lowest, set it to that. After that, you're going to go into languages and gameplay. You're going to turn off 3D node info and map because that setting tanks your FPS. So just turn it off. After that, go into accessibility and then you're going to set this particle effects quality to 0 because this setting takes your FPS. So just set this to 0. After you're done with all of that, you're going to close out the game and you're going to open up your start menu. You're going to write your graphics settings and then you're going to click on to add desktop app here. Now you're going to go to your Crimson Desert's games folder. So wherever you have the game onto, go into its location and then select the Crimson Desert exe and then click add here. And then you're going to have the Crimson Desert exe here. You're going to click onto it and then you're going to click onto GPU preference, set it to high performance. After that, close this up and you're going to go ahead and restart your computer once again. Once you're done with the restart, if it's still crashing, if you have any settings like VRR or variable refresh rate, just turn it on. After that, now when you try to play the game, you'll see that your game will now work. It will not crash anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.